Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. Yes guys, topic na to pag-uusapan natin, ano ba ang pinaka-importante sa buhay ng tao? Pera ba o love life? So, tara, kausapin natin mga ka-Rextop guys. Pero bagong lahat yan guys, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell para lagi po kayo update sa aking mga bagong video, okay? So tara, samahan niyo ako guys. Tanong natin kung ano ba importante sa kanila, love life ba or pera, okay? Alright!
A few moments later.
Hi! What's your name and where are you from?
Stephanie from Chile.
Oh, Stephanie from Chile. Oh, so your name is Stephanie from Chile. Stephanie, I have a question for you. What is the most important for you? Money or love life?
It's a hard question. For me,
Bola lang yan.
I think money is more important.
Money is the most important.
Yeah.
So tell me why is money?
Because, love is gonna end someday. So, money cannot end, right? You cannot live without money, right? So, yeah.
Okay, so that's the reason why. Anything else? Why is money?
Only money, money.
Money can buy everything,
Money
right?
can buy everything, your happiness, your trips, you can buy your clothes, you can buy everything.
Wow.
Even new lovers.
Oh yeah, it's a good answer.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's it for me, Stephanie. So it's a good question and answer for you. So enjoy and hope to see you again. And thank you for answering my question. Bye for now, and Stephanie. Hi. Hi. Can I ask you something? What's your name and where are you from?
Alexander from Serbia.
Oh, Alexander from Serbia. Alex, can I ask you something? For you, what is the most important? Money or love life?
Love life.
Love life. And why?
I think that love life, if it is a real thing and if there is a lot of it, that can bring you true happiness. If there is a lot of money, it doesn't necessarily mean that it can bring you happiness.
Okay, so love life is the most
Bola
important.
lang yan.
Thank you for answering that. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Hey, Alex, you want to say something about for your friends, your family? Just shout out.
To all of my friends from Philippines and the rest of the world, I'm going to say hi and have a lot of love to each other.
All right. Thank you very much, Alex. Bye. Hi. Can I ask you what's your name and where you from?
Jasmin Sotić from Bosnia.
Oh, okay. Can I have a question for you, Jasmine? What is for you important, money or love life, and why?
Money and love. Love, of course.
Wow. So why?
Once you get money, you will know they're not important.
Oh, that's the more. Okay. For you, it's money. Thank you for the answer. All right. Thank you, Jasmine.
care, guys.
Bye. What's your name and where are you from?
Margarida from Portugal.
I have a question. What is the most important for you, money or love life?
Money.
Why? Why money? Tell me.
Because you can travel with it. You cannot travel with love. There you go.
Okay, thank you for a good answer. All right, bye. You want to say something? Shout out to your family?
Not published there.
You want to shout out to your family or friend? Sir. Sir, pwede mo magtanong, anong pangalan niyo po? At taga saan po kayo?
Ako si Balvin Makapagal,
Bagong Kapagal. Taga saan po kayo, sir?
taga Manila, Philippines.
Taga Manila, Philippines. So, sir, may
Bola lang yan.
para sa inyo, anong pinaka-importante? Pera ba o pag-ibig?
Para sa akin, pag-ibig.
At bakit po?
Kasi yung pera, nawawala yun eh. Kumbaga, temporary lang.
Temporary, dumadaan lang sa atin.
Oo.
Samantalang yung pag-ibig.
Parang papel lang yan, nasusunog. Saka, root of evil yan eh.
Okay. Ibig. So, ang pinili nyo is talaga pag-ibig?
Oo, kasi
Okay.
dyan tayo nagmula sa pag-ibig.
Okay. So,
Wala sa Diyos.
maraming salamat, Sir Robert. Meron ba kayo sa shoutout?
Wala. Salamat kay, coolest guy.
Tapos, guys.
Kasi, nakapag-trip pa kami.
Ay, ganun ba? Sige, salamat din po marami. Oo, masaya po kami at ang galing-galing nyo po sumayaw. Sige po, hanggang sa muli. Salamat.
Salamat.
Okay guys, so ayun, natanong na natin mga kasama nating Rextop. So, karamihan sa kanila ang pinili ay love life. Pero guys, kung ako tatanungin, ang pipili ko po talaga is love life. Pero the truth, ang pipiliin ko po ay pera. Alam niyo kung bakit? Because money can buy everything, okay? But not all. But mostly, pera talaga ang gumagana. Sa panahon ngayon guys, hindi mo mabibili ng pag-ibig o naman pag pumunta ka ng hospital. Siyempre lahat pera pagaganahin. Pambayad mo ng bills, pang tuition, pera talaga guys. Hindi excuse yung pag-ibig guys. Mga babayaran mo mga bills, yung mga kailangan mong bilhin para sa mga pangangailangan ng mga anak mo, Siyempre sa asawa mo, sa mahal mo, siyempre kailangan talaga pera guys. Iba na kasi ngayong panahon eh. Pera talaga ang kailangan ng tao ngayon. Kahit saan ka magpunta, kaya nga tayo nagtatrabaho guys para kumita ng pera. So para sa akin, ang pipiliin ko guys ay pera. Ang pag-ibig, andyan lang naman yan guys. At the end, pagka mag-retire ka na, siyempre, huli mo pa rin pipiliin yung pag-ibig. So, yun ang advice ko guys. Sana, magustuhan nyo ang aking topic ngayon. Salamat po sa mga nag-subscribe. Okay, so God bless po everyone. Thank you for watching. Bye!